Hello Orchestra, we're on page 19 of String Basics. This is our second day using the bow at the frog, and we are now holding the bow in normal position. Okay, this is how we'll hold it for the remainder of the year. Right down there at the frog. So the pictures on the screen are very good to show you how to hold the bow and how to place your the bow on the strings of the instrument. So look at those pictures. I want to move my picture out of the way, and let's go ahead and get started on our first song called Western Skies Duet. Notice we have two lines of music, line A and B. We're going to play line B pizzicato. That's what P-I-Z-Z means. Rest, two, ready, go. D, 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 D. Keep a steady pulse. D, 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 D. Now it's easy to get lost in here if you're not watching the notes or counting all those beats. D, D, and repeat. And we'll stop there. All right, pick up the bow and let's go ahead and try line A. Okay, again, we're holding the bow down by the frog. Okay, we're going to start with the down bow. So we're going to start right about here, not by your thumb, but about 4 to 6 inches away from your thumb. And we're going to go down all the way to the tip for 4 counts. So it's going to be down, 2, 3, 4, and then up, 2, 3, 4. Move the bow slowly as you go. And rest, 2, ready, sing. D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, F sharp, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F sharp, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3. Repeat. D, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So work through that song on your own. Use the IPS software application, and play along with the recording. That makes it a little bit more fun. Bile and Cabbage down. This is a fun fiddle tune, fun violin tune, very common, popular country western bluegrass type song. Rest, 2 quarter notes. 2, G, 4, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, 2, E, 4, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, 2, G, 4, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, D, 2, D, rest. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, 2, G, 4, and so on. All right, quarter note fever. Line A and line B. Let's go ahead and jump right into line A with the bow. Okay, starting on G, our third finger for violins and violas. Rest, 2, 3, 4. G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, E, 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 F sharp, G, 2, G, G, F sharp, 2, F sharp, F sharp, G, 2, F sharp, E, D, 2, D. Repeat. G, 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 F sharp. Okay, you finish it out yourself. Okay, line B. Line B of quarter note fever duet, number 90. Okay, a lot of D's, but don't get lost. Make sure you're watching the D's and keeping your place, because if you see halfway through the song, the D's change rhythm to a half note D and then 2 quarter note D's, half note D, 2 quarter note D's. Ready? On the D string. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Here we go now. D, 2, D, D, 2, D, D, 2, D, D, 2, D. Repeat. And so on. Okay, down to the old gray goose. Starting on F sharp. Listen to me play it first if you want. Rest, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, 2, F sharp, D, D, 2, E, 4, E, 2, E, E, F sharp, E, E, 4, F sharp, 2, F sharp, E, E, 2, D, D, E, 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 F sharp, D, 2, rest, rest, and then start over. Okay, don't lift your bow off the string, just, and then hold it there, rest, rest, and then start again on the beginning of the song. Test line, 92 Fiddler's Dream. All right, listen to me play it, or pause the video right now and see if you can play it by yourself first without me showing you. All right, starting on D. Rest, 2, 3, and 4. D, 2, D, E, A, G, F sharp, E, 4, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, 4, D, 2, F sharp, D, G, 2, G, 4, G, G, F sharp, D, D, 2, rest, rest. And that is page 19.